How to add image and text to a pre-existing external layer. Upon opening the file, follow these steps. Click on Insert, click on Picture, and browse images. Drag the image, press Shift, and resize the image from the top corner and align it to the frame. Right-click on the image, click on Send to Back, and click on Send to Back again. Click on the text field. Now edit in caps or type the details accordingly. I'll show in a few seconds how to go and change the text to caps if you've forgotten to type in caps. Looking good so far. We are almost done. Left-click and drag your mouse over the section, right-click and select Save as Picture.